I'm Andrew Denny with Textures Flooring. Today we are going to learn how to repair a tear in your vinyl flooring. Demonstrating today is Michael Macham with Macham's Floor Specialists. The first step is to apply adhesive using a vinyl flooring adhesive. Apply adhesive to both the tear and the floor. Set the tear back using pressure. Try to squeeze out the excess of adhesive. Remove the adhesive. Use a roller to create a bond in the floor. Remove any additional excess adhesive. Place a flat board over the repaired area and allow the pressure to remain for about 1 hour. Next, apply vinyl flooring seam sealer to protect the exposed edges. Allow the seam sealer to set up, keep traffic away from the exposed area for several hours, and your task is complete. I'm Andrew Denny with Textures Flooring. Thank you for joining us. For more information, visit www.texturesflooring.com, and special thanks to Michael Macham with Macham's Floor Specialists.